Hello, first graders, and welcome to your grammar and writing job for today. Our target skill is I can use personal pronouns I and me correctly. We know that a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence. Today, we are going to be replacing our own names and using pronouns I and pronouns me. Let's take a closer look. Let's look at this sentence. Miss Rossman went to the store with Miss Micahale. I can replace my name with a pronoun. Should I use I or should I use me? I'm going to look at whether my name is in the subject of the sentence or in the predicate of the sentence. The subject does the verb. The predicate comes after the verb. So let's find the verb in this sentence. Miss Rossman went to the store with Miss Micahale. I found the verb, went. Who is doing the verb? I am doing the verb. Miss Rossman went is the subject of this sentence. The predicate of this sentence, to the store with Miss Micahale. Since my name is in the subject, I can use pronoun I. You can use I in the subject of your sentence. It wouldn't make sense to say, me went to the store with Miss Micahale. Let's look at another example. Miss Micahale cooked dinner for Miss Rossman. I'm going to replace my name with pronoun I or pronoun me. Let's find the verb in this sentence. Cooked. Who cooked? Miss Micahale cooked. So she is the subject of my sentence. My name, Miss Rossman, is in the predicate of the sentence. So I'm not going to use pronoun I. I'm going to use pronoun me. Miss Micahale cooked dinner for me. Boys and girls, these rules stay the same even when I am listing more than one person. For example, looking at these sentences. For my birthday, my friends and I eat Ethiopian food. Who eats? My friends and I. We are doing the verb. In this second sentence, my friends sang to me. Who sang? My friends sang. So I use the pronoun me to describe myself. Let's do a few examples together. Ask yourself, should I use pronoun I or pronoun me? The photographer took a picture of Miss Micahale and The verb is took. Who took the photo? The photographer. I am not doing the verb, so I'm going to use pronoun me because I am in the predicate of the sentence. The woman and hike the mountain. Do you see the verb in this sentence? Hike. The woman and am I in the subject of the sentence or in the predicate? Am I doing the verb? Am I not doing the verb? I am in the subject of the sentence because I am doing the verb, the woman and I. What about in this sentence? The teacher stood next to What is the verb in this sentence? Stood. Who stood? The teachers. Am I in the subject of the sentence or in the predicate of the sentence? I am in the predicate of the sentence, so I can use pronoun me. One last example. The teachers and eat by the sea. Am I in the subject of the sentence or in the predicate of the sentence? Am I doing the verb? Am I not doing the verb? First, let's find the verb, eat. I can use pronoun I because I am doing the verb. The teachers and I eat by the sea. It wouldn't make sense for me to say, me eat by the sea. So now, boys and girls, it is your turn. Pretend your name and a friend's name are in the blanks. Are you in the subject of the sentence or are you in the predicate of the sentence? Cut out these sentences and glue them down. For example, and play with the kitten. Who is playing with the kitten? You are playing with the kitten. So you are the subject of the sentence. Have fun, first graders. I'll see you next time.